Alright, hello everyone. So, what we're doing today, the plan is to go to the capital city, Riga. So, we bought the bike 2 days ago from the auction place, the same place as the Yamaha VZ1, what we bought from the same place. So, what we're doing today, we will go to the capital city, Riga. It's like 1 hour from my city. About the bike, it's Aprilia RS 600 2023 model. There is only 4,000 kilometers mileage on this bike, so low mileage. So the bike looks really good. There is a few minor damages on the bike, the plastics. So yep, let's go to the auction place and I will show you the bike. Alright, the bike is in the house. So about the broken parts, as you can see, the one side of the fairing is broken, the other side is fine, the bottom fairing is fine, the front wheel is bent, and probably the brake disc calipers are bent as well. That's why the calipers are removed. The other damage is one side of the mirror, this side fairing will need to be replaced, scratches on the fuel tank and rear seat, and There's few scratches on the foot pegs, but that's it. The bike runs. So So 54 world titles in the MotoGP and the World Superbike, Aprilia. So as you can see, there is a rear ABS fault, but that's nothing. And 600 kilometers. So let's try to. Alright guys, that's it about the Aprilia. So the bike is in the house, so now need to order the parts, and that's it. We will start working on this bike. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.